Hi guys, today we learned how to calculate the number of days between two different dates. As we know in the format of date, we can't apply simple plus and minus rules. That's why we using the days function here in Excel already. Now check how it's working. For example, we want to calculate the number of days between 2 February to current date. Now enter to February 2022 and today date we use the function today. Enter today is the 12 March, so we calculate the number of days between 2 February to 12 March. Now check how it's working. Now demanding for end date and start date. End date is today date and start date from 2 February. Then enter. Now it's showing 38 days between 2 February into 12 March. Okay. We can also calculate the network days. Network days exclude the number of holidays in between these two dates. It's also demanding for start date from 2 February and end date on 12 March today. It's also we include holidays according to our format, as we have another holiday instead of Sunday or Saturday, so we can list it here, but we continue as now. Excluding the number of holidays, they're showing the number of network days is 28. Okay, we also can applies the network days international formula. In this function, it's also demanding start date. We can enter start date and end date. We can select the end date. Now, in this formula, you can customly applies which holiday in your area is a weekend holiday. For example, in some areas in the world on just Friday, holiday on just Friday. That's why we enter Friday and check. Now it's 33. Network international days is 33. That's all for the video. Thank you.